Let's make a peppermint sun tea. Making sun tea is an easy way to brew up tea during the summer using the power of the sun. You can make sun tea out of just about any herb that you would normally make tea from. To begin, you'll need dried or fresh peppermint, a quart or half-gallon jar, and some filtered water. Begin by adding 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint for every cup of water. For a quart, you would need 4 teaspoons. A half-gallon would require 8, and a gallon would need 16 teaspoons. If you're using fresh herbs, triple the amount of herb that you will be using. For instance, for a quart of tea, you would need 1 tablespoon or 3 teaspoons of fresh peppermint leaves. Place the herbs in the jar and fill the jar with fresh filtered room temperature water. Place the lid on the jar. Take the jar outside and set it in the full sun. If you have a lot of trees in your yard, be sure to check on your tea every half hour or so to make sure that the jar is still in full sun. The heat of the sun will warm the water and infuse the herbs in the water. It usually takes 2 to 3 hours for your sun tea to be ready. The water will darken and look like tea as it heats up. On cooler summer days, it might take a bit longer, while on hotter summer days, your tea may be ready in as early as an hour. If you are unsure if your tea is ready, ladle out a small amount and taste it. After your tea is ready, strain off the herbs. You can refrigerate your tea to cool it off or add ice cubes when serving. Some great herbs that make delicious sun tea are mints of all kinds, including spearmint, lemon balm, bee balm, thyme, and rosemary, as well as plants such as chamomile, nettles, and blackberry. Stick with leaves and flowers for this method.